When we were looking to update our home security with a solution everyone could use, we turned to this outdoor camera. Strong wireless capabilities, great pixel quality, and its own remote monitor. Really appreciate this thing is feature packed with a two-way intercom, motion detection, wide angle. It stores, monitors remotely, and it does long distance transmission. It did arrive well packaged and quickly. This is your instructions for how far away you can place the remote monitor. A pretty hefty user manual. I found this quite helpful in going through that. And here is your remote monitor. Love that even my young kids can see what's going on in the front door, even though they don't have a cell phone, because this 7 by 5 inch monitor can be placed anywhere throughout the house to give them security and peace of mind as well. And the back, you can see that it either can be hung on the wall or it does have a stand. So that gives versatility and flexibility to put it wherever you need it within the house. Also love that this does not have to be hardwired or require batteries. It is rechargeable with this 2-prong USB-C charging cord, and undo the battery from the remote unit and charge both at the same time. This is your special screwdriver and screw for locking those video cameras in the wall, and this is the mounting hardware as well as the special wiring to connect to a doorbell should you prefer that option. And your smart doorbell with the 100% wireless, easy install, night vision, Wi-Fi, two-way communication, loaded and set to go, and the rechargeable battery that just slides in place. There are two main mounting options. One is screwing into any available surface outside. Second is the 3M sticky solution that will also stick to the wall, so you don't even have to put holes if you don't want, and it will secure with the screw, keeping it locked in place. Let's go ahead and plug this thing in. Battery slides in quite easily. It is chargeable with that USB-C as well as the monitor. Let's go ahead and give this thing an indoor test before we even try to go install it outside. Yep, works. Here I am. And super easy to hang up and deactivate when you're ready. This remote monitor is touchscreen, so you can access all of the available options, control a lot of their settings, your Wi-Fi, details of that nature. It's also super easy to control camera history. Here's some just mock videos that I did just trying to play with this machine and see how it was recording everything in time. Here's a live view of the camera as I'm moving around. It's picking up everything, including all motion, quite easily. I did activate the motion setting under low, and it does turn it on quite quickly with even a low motion setting. For installation, here are your screw options as well as it slides on. I opted for the 3M strip. It is quite sticky. It stayed well. I had no issues with adherence using that, and tightening in place with that mini screwdriver. Just giving this a try. You walk up to my house without showing anything that would make Amazon mad, but here's the doorbell installed, and it immediately picks me up. Just so that I can show this a different way, I'm going to put this in the corner and activate it here so that I don't have anybody else's house in the background. There you go. It immediately pulls it up. I am able to answer if this was inside and talk to this and then hang up when I'm ready. Overall, I'm actually very impressed with this entire setup. It's 100% wireless. It's very easy to install. I really like the features of that touchscreen monitor. It was very responsive, very easy to see. It did capture the video and the recordings like I hoped. It did pick up my motion when I was walking by. This thing does exactly what it says it will.